Hi, today I want to continue with the initial level which I was implementing, but I decided to do it in a more organic way. Let me show you. I made a special 3D pattern to represent the initial house, so to speak, that the player begins the game in. And we'll have some sort of way to guide the player to the proper initial level, which is this one, and then explore the game. But this is a bit cruel and a bit difficult to control, so I prefer to make a special level in this format and use it instead of making a 3D scene, which is nice perhaps to add later more detail, but yeah, perhaps later we'll have a proper graphical editor for this kind of thing, but for the moment I prefer to replace this with a string. Let's make a multi-line string instead of node 3D, and let's see, string, which is all this obviously will change. We have a function that makes the house and another that make the shaft, but all this will be replaced. Let me remove this. Okay. Instead of making the shaft, now we initiate the game properly, and what we will do is to make the special level, put it in the proper position, and then connect it with the initial level via a normal corridor. So let's see. First, we will make the proper. Let's use another name for this house data, and let's use. Let's see. Yeah, I think that will be enough. Okay. And now, instead of make shafts, let's make house function that in this case we will use the same calculation for the beginning position. Let's instantiate the house and let's make the level with the house data in the begin position. You know what? This position is not. Yeah, let's use this and then later I will. Okay, now let's see. This will have to return the house, and all this. Okay, we will clean later. This is not required. Let's see what this does. This part 0. Wow, this did not save. This creator. Okay, why? Let's use a proper level only to see what happens when we use this data. For example, this should make. This creates. Okay, we have a rectangular house now. Let's put. Okay, instead of using this, we will use the house. So and okay. Obviously, we need to add the player. Yeah, this should be player position. We don't have the entrance. Sorry for that. We put the entrance there. Let's see. Okay, obviously, yeah, we don't have any crate. Okay, this should work now. Okay, and obviously we fall. Now the problem is that we need to connect. When we make the house, we need to connect that house, connect it with the first loaded level. So let's see, begin will be pause. Now the begin will be house dot pedestals. This will have only one. The exit pause. Okay, now the first level will be the end of the path dot global pause. Let's see, between the beginning and end, let's assert that the path is not empty. And let's make path between the beginning, the end, the path, and the and let's post false for this. Let's see. This should index 0. We are not recognizing the pedestals of the house. Perhaps we need to add because we are creating for each solution. Okay, we need to add the data here. This symbol is accepted, I think. Okay. This is why. I think I know why it's offset. It's because we don't have the correct position for the let me edit this here. The player indicates the position of the exit, so we need to do that. Now it will be correct. Okay. Now obviously we are missing some calculations here. We were removing. I should do like a generic function like before to connect two levels, because we are doing some custom magic here. Let me replicate that. Okay, I made the generic function here, and let's see if it works. The level is created. I think it's we cannot because the pedestal is, we need to close to open the pedestal. Change force field will have to be false. This is open, but it's not. We are reclosing the this should not be so. If we have the pedestal open here, why is this? You know what? Let's make a truly fake level with a crate, so we don't have all these special cases. This will be monomino, so it will always be correct. So we don't have to check here for end of turns. Okay. So let's see. It's a nice. It's a nice for. Why? But for some reason we are falling here. Let's see if using a horizontal exit is better. Wow. Okay, there is some reason why. I suspect it's the order. Let's change this. This should be for some reason. You know what? Let's make it reversed. The problem, I think it was because the falling is calculated before. That's a problem with the downward exits, I think. Okay. Let's add a parameter extra to not do the ladders. Connect levels. In the make house we pass false, and in the normal connections we pass true, and here instead of passing true we pass the parameter. Okay, now the first level we have this nice foreshadowing of the mechanic. Which is the sigil, the monomino sigil. It's nice, and we will fall naturally. Okay, it works. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have some comments or questions about programming, game design, etc. Please like and subscribe and share the videos with people that could enjoy them, and consider supporting me using some of the links below. Thanks.